It's lunchtime, so I'm gonna cook up real quick. Show you guys the process. So I got a new cooking setup. It's a lot easier than it was before for me. So I got a Jetboil system. It's pretty sweet. This little guy here, tiny, fits in the palm of your hand, you know, little fella. So basically, simply put, it is a single burner. That's all I need. So these three come up, giving you a flat surface to cook upon. It actually goes right onto the fuel container. So this is a fuel container here. This is also by Jetboil. So the idea is you just plug it right in. That brings your cooking height up to this height right here. So I opted to add a piece that brought my cooking height down a little bit. Especially, you know, you never know, you're not level. The higher you get, the more likely it is to spill, the easier everything goes, especially with the dog. You know, he walks around and shakes the van around. So I picked up this little guy from MSR, also from REI. Both of these came from REI as well. MSR. So this basically runs in between. I have the fuel, plugs in right here. There's its own little valve. Then I have the burner that brings it a bit lower. One thing I wish is that this cord was longer, so I could actually keep my propane or my fuel elsewhere. So this is actually in propane, butane. I'm gonna come down. Not a bad little setup there, huh? Nice view as well. So let's bring it. Just open the valve here. Nice and easy. Open. So you ease on the gas here. You ease on the gas, and then you want to press the ignition. So this is actually, it sends a little spark up here. And we're on. So this flame is actually quite tough to see. It's the butane burns kind of clear. But once you put a pan on there, a pot, let's put this up on there. Cleanup is super simple as well. Overall, I definitely recommend this product. It makes cooking a lot easier. Cleanup is simple, quick, and it's safe as well.